students, today we will learn how to connect public address system. See students, public address system or PA system, is very much important part in every Vidyalaya to conduct assembly program, CCA program, sports program, every program. So how to connect this? See, our school is having SSA 350 Ahuja model, this one. I will explain you how to operate this one. Board, switch board, main board. From main board, this is extension board. And this one the power cord. This is the power cord for the amplifier. Okay, amplifier. This is the power cord for the amplifier. So this is the amplifier. So you have to plug in this one, power for power. And here we are given connection. Okay, suppose we are using this type of box, sound box, then we have to use common and 8 ohms. Okay. If we connect two box in parallel at that time, at common 4 ohm, so I have taken two wires, already connected the two wires is common and 8 ohms. From here, I have taken wire to this side. See, this is the rear panel of the sound box. This is SRX 120D Ahuja. See, it has two connection point, common and 8 ohms. So this common wire will connect to this common, and this one 8 ohms will connect to the 8 ohms. So this is the output section. The sound box is the output section. This is funnel. Okay, this is funnel. So this one transformer unit funnel. So for this is red and black, and either this sound box or this box we can use. So for this we have to use this common and 100. Now I am not using this one. Later on I will use. So common and 100 volt for this. This one transformer unit. It is written here. Transformer unit. See it is here. This one you see. This one Ahuja AMH402T. So T means transformer unit. So for this transformer unit, we have to use this section. This side section, that is common 70 or common 100 volt. And for normal sound box, we can use that box. That is common 8 ohms. So both different type of boxes we should not use for the safety purpose. Now this is not microphone. This is microphone. You see this one microphone on and off switch. Okay. So see this is the pin. Okay, this one, so you can connect like this. So this is on, off. This is telephonic, this one. Okay, this one model is AGN 500. This is telephonic, so for adjustment it will be helpful. This is DG. So this way it will be helpful. Now come to the cordless section. The cordless, this one the AWM490V2 dual wireless receiver set. This one concept is set. The two microphones, this one aerials, and this side you see this one. It has two aerials. This one output one. Suppose you want to use one microphone, then you can use it here. Then your second one use this side, and if you use in this section, then both the microphone can work. Okay, and this one the adapter. The power supply, this is required 9 volt, DC 9 volt. We are having one battery section of there, that is 36 volt DC. So in absence of AC power supply, we can using 3 car battery, we can operate this one. Okay, so first I will switch up, and then again I will connect this one. Okay, so now this one switch. First output section I am using switching off this one, common and 8 ohms. So here is common and 8 ohms. Okay, so common 8 here I am using it. So in the options of power only should do. First I connected the speaker, the sound box. The sound box. So I use here sound box for this insertion tape to avoid any electrical shock. So I connected from common to common and 8 ohm to 8 ohm. So I connected the sound box. The sound box section is our this stand, in stand, this is microphone port. So this way we can connect, you see. So this one you can connect. Okay, this is the level. See this pin. So you can connect like this by pressing this one. Now this one, this pin you see, it is connected perfectly. So I'll now input session. Now I give number 2. I give number 2. So initially I will bring to the original position. Everything will be off. On this power off. See, I am using this box. So I will keep the knob this side. See, this is both sides. So this is box speaker. This is sound box or speaker. And this is the driver unit. This is the driver unit. So I kept this side. Master is closed. Bass. In initial position, treble position, everything in initial position. So this box is over. Now the input, I given a stand with microphone, output is a box. Now I will give the power. Now AC power. So now it's on. Now I'll make it on. Now see, the supply will come to this plus. Right there. Now slowly we will bring to the position this one 40%. It's also near to 0. Now we'll start. See. So it is working now. Now supply is there. I connected normal microphone. Okay, there is this one AGN 500 telephone microphone, and now we connect. How to connect the cordless? Now for cordless, AWM 490V2 Ahuja wireless receiver, the dual receiver, and what I'll do, I will fix this one, the power. So see power for this. Now see to the power section. See this one power section. This one adapter. So this is an adapter. So first I'll put here. This is 9 volt supply. This power adapter. Now this one I will fix. Okay. Now this one. So power section. But on. Now here I will to make the switch on. See. You see the switch on. So supply there. See the off and this one on. Okay. So it has channel 1 and channel 2. Means if you in section 1 I will use, then 1 will operate and 2, then only 1, or for 2 will operate, but if 1 plus 2, then both will operate. So let us see. So I am fixing this one, 2A for 2 here, then any side you can fix. So it has number 4, I will number 4. Okay. Now say number 4, I will be using in number 4. So now see, I will check the battery. See, it is a battery, 9 volt battery is required. Already I loaded. I will show you how to load it. It is also battery there. Battery, this is plus, this is minus. Here is plus and this one minus. So I will use here. See, I will check whether it is working or not. See. So by this way we can use the cordless microphone and normal microphone. Now, how to use this type funnel? This is transformer unit funnel. So let me show. For this, what I do, I disconnect this side, and I will connect that side. So for this, I will switch off this one. This is power off. This one also power off. Okay. So it is better now. Both the power off, everything power off. Now what I will do. So I remove this one. The power is off, no problem. So this one I remove. I kept this side. Now I will connect from other side. Now see these two. This is transformer unit. Okay, this one for 100 volt and this one for common. So this one see 100 volt. This one 100 volt here, and this one common. Now this one I'm making this one. Now I'll connect. So here. So for safety, I use this one. Instruction tape is must. This one for this. Always you ask the common and 100 volt. I connected this one. Okay. So this on. Let me check whether it's working or not. So again, this is power on. This is power on. This one is on. Okay. So so now working. This one is working. Okay. And that is silent. This one is working. So this transformer unit. So for transformer unit, common 100 volt, and for normal unit, common 8 ohms. So this is people, and you can test this one also. So see, again I am telling students, before using the obligated system, we require good extension board and tools like nose player, potting player, insulin combination player, then tester, okay, screwdriver, insulation tape and cutter. Okay, then always we should keep the amplifier on a wooden table, and first we'll connect everything, then we will power. With power we should not want anything. Okay, so after connecting and after verifying all the connections, we should give power to amplifier for safety purpose. Okay, and always wear a rubber shoe, that for the safety purpose, and always do your work in presence of your teacher. So thank you.